Guys, you have to watch this next video. Keep watching. Look, she throws up the peace sign.
It's a video.
I know.
She thinks they're not letting her record. It's
video
forbidden.
is forbidden?
What's forbidden?
Making
Look
this
at
sign,
this.
okay?
Making
Oh,
this
this
sign.
sign is forbidden?
Yeah.
Video is not forbidden, just don't do this.
But unfortunately, in
Oh,
Turkey,
I'm
it's
sorry.
raised about terrorism.
This
I'm
is about
so sorry.
terrorism.
Oh my God,
They've
I
scared
did
the
not know
tourists
that.
thinking
Did
this
you
is about...
know?
Look! You just saw was South Korean influencer Tyeonggi and throwing up a little peace sign. As you do on holiday, everyone does it. Worldwide known peace, victory, whatever you want to call it, in Turkey is interpreted as terrorism. This is how much they have hate towards the Kurds. The Kurds have been throwing this up for peace and victory from oppression, something that's recognized worldwide as peace and victory. Confused the poor girl so much she went back to ask if she could do a heart.
It's okay.
This one, okay. It's a small heart.
She's asking can she do a heart. This is what happens when you create a country on someone else's homeland. You're constantly paranoid.